Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the clip, resolution, codec, and frame rate matter because AI models perform differently on compressed footage. Once you confirm, install the upscaling tool and GPU drivers. This speeds processing dramatically. Next, convert the file to a lossless edit-friendly format like ProRes or DNxHR so the model sees clean data. You do this first to avoid artifact amplification later. Make sure to keep a copy of the original for comparison and for undoing changes if needed. Now configure the model and settings. Choose whether you need denoise, detail enhancement, or motion-aware upscaling. Each optimizes different problems. Set the upscale factor, commonly 2x or 4x, and align output frame rate with your target. Next, tweak GPU parameters. Use FP16 precision for speed, set batch size to fit memory, and enable tile processing for large frames. Once done, run a short test clip to evaluate sharpness, temporal stability, and processing time, so you can iterate quickly. Finish by rendering the full clip while monitoring GPU load and disk I/O, save incremental versions to avoid redoing work. Once rendered, review closely for temporal artifacts or over-sharpening. Apply light color grading and a subtle sharpening pass rather than extreme tweaks. If you need final delivery, export to a high bitrate H, 264/H, 265, or maintain master in ProRes. If problems occur, reduce denoise strength, lower upscale factor, or enable temporal smoothing. These fixes usually.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.